So today we are going to look at binomial expansion. Binomial expansion, we have a question. Expand and simplify each of the following binomial expressions. Part A, x plus 3 to power 3. Part B, 2x minus 1 to power 5. So we are going to start with part A. X plus 3 to power 3. So the first step we are going to do, we are going to take the first term. We're going to take the first term, x, and then we take the power 3. And then we leave a gap. We take the first term still x, and then to the power 2. And then we minus 1. We minus 1 from each term in the power for the first term. And then the next one will be x to power 1. After that, we'll have x to the power of 0. We stop where we have x to the power of 0. From there, we move to the second one, the second term. The second term here is positive 3. So we'll have 3 here, and the power, we'll put the power 0. Because something you need to understand is that when you add the two powers in each combination, the two powers should give you the overall power that you have been given. We'll look at it after we have done all of them. So the second one, we take the second term, which is 3. We add 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3, 1 plus 1 is 2. 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. So that is the last term. We stop there. Afterwards, we go to the binomial coefficients. You go to your log table and look for the binomial coefficients for the power of 3. So you'll notice that the binomial coefficients, we have 1, we have 3 as the second one, the third one is 3, and the fourth one is 1. So there are 4 of them. You write them in the same order, and then after doing that, you now add all of them. You add everything. So this is the answer now, but we have to simplify. So the final step is to simplify. To simplify this, this is 1 multiplied by x to power 3 multiplied by 3 to power 0. Remember that I said that any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this will be equal to x cubed plus, here we have 3 multiplied by x squared multiplied by 3 to power 1. So this is 3 multiplied by 3, which will give us 9. So here we'll have 9x to the power of 2 plus, we have 3 multiplied by x to power 1, which is the same as x, multiplied by 3 squared, which is the same as 9. So this one will be 3 squared, which will give us 9, multiplied by 3, which is 27. So this will be 27x. And then finally, we have 1 multiplied by x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 is 1, multiplied by 3 to the power of 3. 3 cubed is 27. So this will be our answer. Since there are no terms that you can combine, there are no like terms. We have x cubed, x squared, x, and this one is 27. So that is your answer. You leave your answer in that form. As simple as that. And what I said before is that you look and observe the powers. The powers in each term, in each combination, when you add them, they should be giving you 3, the power that you had been given initially. So we have 3 plus 0 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 0 plus 3 is 3. So you realize that the equation has been expanded and simplified correctly.